My name is Ross Frisbee. I'm Head of Business at University Centre Shrewsbury. We've been doing a mini series of lectures around maximising creativity to support your business. This one's about managing the average employee, not what you might consider as the low performers and not the real high flying employees. It's that group in the middle, the average employee. So the 4 bullet points there, the first one's talking about managing beliefs. Now, one of the brain's primary functions really is to maintain sanity. And by that, if you believe that you're, say, a 6 out of 10 at something, maybe in this instance, your job, you will tend to perform around 6 out of 10. If you start to perform higher than that, you can actually start to feel a bit uncomfortable, and your brain will try and do things to pull you back in to its comfort zone effectively. Okay, so it's down really to the leader to try and just shine the spotlight a little bit more on the average employee and try and give them a bit more attention and help them see themselves through from a 6 out of 10 and help them see and what an 8 or a 9 out of 10 would actually look like. And if the employee can see that, then that'll really help them and reassure them to allow them to move forward and increase their performance.